So tell me one thing that the whole family of yours is engineers, doctors, and all these things. So when you have a family get together, how does it go?
The best thing about my family get-togethers is all they talk about is what Akriti is doing.
Okay.
So all they want to do is they're like, get your skills, prepare yourself, so we can all invest in your restaurant and we can have our retirement plan ready. So we'll give you a restaurant and you'll run it, and we'll all live on the sides, you know. So they're all bored and done with their jobs because they've been doing that for 20, 30 years, you know. And then they see me, who is, um, just trying to make her mark in the world, and while doing so, persevering on, like, I would say I have not, I doubt myself a lot, and I do, it's a fact, but I never question what I want to do in life. I want to cook, and that helps me every day, you know. It helps me every day to become better and better at what I do.